pa nakakabangon si Johnny Gonzalez dahil sa lakas ng suntok.
Let's see here.
Let's look at that.
That's the punch.
Delayed reaction, ano?
That's the punch.
But
I've
Jerry
been
knew
waiting
it.
for him.
But Jerry knew it. He turned this
Yeah.
time. He just was creating that opening. Let's
Right
do
here.
again.
That counter. That's the one I was trying to say. That was so perfect.
Left hook.
Wow.
Beautiful
that was
punch.
such a beautiful punch. That's the one I've been trying to say. That if that punch is land, it's over.
When you consider that the punch count was really going the way of Gonzalez, and Jerry
Drops to his knees,
A
fulfilling
champion
his
again.
dream of becoming world champion again after 10 years.
The
Jerry
WBA.
Peñalosa, 35 years old, the new WBO bantamweight champion of the world. Mabuhay ang Pinoy. 5-0 for the Philippines dito sa World Cup from Sacramento, California.
And we have a new WBO World Bantamweight Champion, as Diane pointed out. Jerry turning back the hands of time. And let's listen in.
And dramatic end with an official time of 2 minutes, 45 seconds of the 7th round. Your winner by way of knockout and new WBO Bantamweight Champion of the world from the Philippines, Jerry Peñalosa.
And what a day for the Philippines.
I am so happy for Jerry. He wanted this win so bad.
Yes.
And so did his coach. And you can see the joy overflowing now from Jerry. Yan ang kapatid niya, si Carlos Peñalosa, sa kanyang likod.
Has always been in his corner. Dodi Boy, I'm sure would have been wanted to be here, but what a day for the Peñalosa. And there the Aldeguer sisters.
It's unbelievable how that punch just came from nowhere, ano? Parang, kumbaga, he was just waiting for that one.
Opportunity. It was not, it was not well, not set up completely. Kasi Jerry had no chances going in until that moment.
Yes.
And then, yung pagpitaw niya ng suntok, hindi ka agad nag-react yung si Johnny, no? Parang delayed
Umatras
reaction.
siya. Sandali. Tinamaan niya pa ako.
Sabi niya, uy, ang sakit.
Parang binaril ka.
Tapos nakita ko yung mga mata niya nag-roll.
Nakita ko yan kay Oscar De La Hoya.
Yeah, it was a similar situation, similar scenario.
Marami nagtuna na kayang manalo ni Peñalosa, but he has proven to the world that he is a worthy world champion. And finally, maiuwi na yung belt sa kanyang anak na lalaki who has been waiting for this championship belt.
That was such a beauty.
The last time, sabi na anak ni Jerry, dati nasaan ang belt? And sabi ni Jerry, he was very
Well,
sad.
one thing
not to
is
be
one
able
more to go,
bring it.
diba?
I never thought that I'd see this happen again in 10 years. First time I saw him, he won it in Korea when he was defending his title. And now 10 years later, I see this happen. And what a turnaround and a great comeback. And what a well-deserved win for somebody who worked so extremely hard.